We did it again. We out here in Cali in the middle of some parking lot. We were sleeping at one of those travel stations. A pilot, a Flying J. Security guard came up, knocked on our window while we were sleeping at like 5 in the morning and kicked us out from a place that you could sleep at. What the fuck? This was our house for the trip. Yes, sirski. It's like 9 in the morning right now. We're either gonna go to Starbucks or straight to a spot. I'm about to put on my pants and then we're gonna get to shredding. We let her skate right now, SK8. Game of skate off the curb. That counts. Leave it in the comments below who you think is gonna win. Damn, that's your 8.
That's my 8.
That's your 8.
Not gonna lie.
One step. And the winner is Tommy.
Got that juice now.
That juice.
That white sauce.
That white girl juice.
He is.
I was like, yeah, let me get that white bitch straight.
Yo. My God, dude. That shit. Woo.
All right, so we just got to UCR. We're about to go skate around and try to look for spots. Phew.
Switch ollie right here.
All right, switch ollie. Oh well. Next time.
The weather's fire though.
All right, now we gotta find something else to do while it rains. So we'll see.
Charupa Valley.
Me la Chupas Valley. We're here at this skate park we just found. Found it on Google Maps. We found it on the maps, but I don't know how to say the name of it. I'll try to get a clip of the name right now because it's a crazy name. How do you say the name of this park?
Chameri Bonpois.
Whatever he said. Chameri Bonpois.
Chameri Bonpois.
Weird ass name for a park, but it's a cool skate park. Only got like 3% on the GoPro, so hopefully like we can get a quick clip. But if not, then this is it. All right, this is gonna die, so I'm